It's the morning. We're just about to leave. Running a little late, but it's always a lot of last minute things, even though I've been up since 6. You can probably guess. I've lost AC. Don't really know what the issue is. It sort of came and went. And all 3 of us made it here to the hotel. And we have the owner. Hey, what do you think of your car?
Absolutely fantastic.
Good morning and welcome to day 2 of our road trip. Just left the hotel here. Today we're going from Öbu to Östersund. So sleep okay?
Yes, it's fantastic.
We got
nice breakfast as well. So
yeah, I had to leave breakfast because one of the doors wouldn't open on the XJC, and I fixed that. Well, this day started fun. This door will not open. We have not locked it, but it has locked itself. And it will not open. There's the key or anything. So get screwdrivers out, trying out my new toolkit. See if we get door panel off, see if we can pry this open. Otherwise, it's gonna have to be Dukes and Hazard style to get in on that side. Just being really envious. We got the door card off, everything works. Seems to be some loose spring in here, so we're just not gonna lock the doors from now on. And then I got back and got some extra breakfast, so we're leaving a little bit later because of that. So we're just looking for a gas station now, and then we're gonna head out and continue driving north. I think we're at the gas station actually right now. So fill up and then continue going north. Absolutely gorgeous where we're driving now. Just lakes everywhere. You can probably see one right there behind these trees. This long, twisting, winding road. There's the lake. Really, really pretty nature up here. Just trees for miles, lakes, and so far pretty empty roads. A lot of campers and things like that, but not too bad. Beautiful sunshine, clear blue skies. We're stopped on the side of the road, but it's actually not because of the coupe or the XJS, because we're running out of juice here. We passed the charging station by mistake, so we found one that's pretty close. So I'm going to jump in the electric car, go for a ride, and we're going to a charging station so we can get some juice. We should just be able to make it there. But we ended up on a dirt road by mistake, so we're turning around and trying to find a different charger because there's logging trucks and things here, and not enjoyable. But we'll continue the trip in the electric car. But we don't have range anxiety, but there's a thing. The last 20% take a long time to charge up, and so do the low 20% and the high 20%. So you want to stay out of that range with a quick charge. And we're in the middle of nowhere, but we're about 15 kilometers from a I think 100 kilowatt charger, and we're hoping we can charge up there and eat some lunch. So you don't want to go into that last green bit there. But, otherwise, nice, comfortable car. Got my friend Leonard here. Are you enjoying the electric car experience?
Oh yes, yes I do. I like it. It's lots of power in it.
Yeah, it's really
Brutal.
It's brutal, and like a family SUV like this does not need to be this quick. But very nice with all the screens and everything. So very, very quiet. But we'll get there, plug in the charger, grab some lunch, and then we'll check on the other cars as well. All right, we just grabbed some lunch here, and here's the problem with electric cars. So he used the third car in a row. We waited 40 minutes, one of them is charged, one more needs to charge. And that's the issue. We can't drive any further because he's low on range. And we don't know if there's other ones are working. So he's going to stay here. We're going to continue with the XJS and the XJC and continue driving because we still have 5 hours left to do. And yeah, it's going to be a pretty long day. So let's get back on the road. A little while back we switched, so it's my turn to drive, and it is just completely gorgeous nature here. We're on the E45, which sounds like a highway. It's not. It's a 2-lane road, and with a really high speed limit, 100 kilometers an hour, and with no center guard, so that feels a little weird. But we have 3 hours left to go. It's 4 in the afternoon, so we should get there in time for dinner. But it's been very, very warm today, and even in the convertible with all the sun. But absolutely beautiful scenery outside, and just lots of trees and lakes and beautiful nature. But we left our friend there charging, and he charged up a bit, and he has to stop one more time, I think, before. We need to stop for fuel in a little bit as well. We're getting close to just a quarter tank of gas here, and the XJC needs fuel again. So next fuel station, we're gonna fill up, just check over things, and then I think we're gonna just cannonball the last thing to try and arrive at the hotel not too late. Stop for gas, probably the last stop here. 190 kilometers left to go. The fun thing is, the XJS, I mean, we haven't been driving slowly, and we've been overtaking and just enjoying it. It's doing 12 liters per 100 kilometers. It's actually more fuel efficient than the XJ6. So that's something. Staying here, just grabbing some coffee. 2 hours left to go, and you know, it's just small roads from here on, but it's very, very beautiful everywhere. This is sort of the last town before the one we go to. So it has a gas station. And the funny thing is, there's a sign over there which says, in the near future, you'll be able to charge your electric car here. So a good thing we didn't stop here with our friend Leonard. He's using the app and trying to figure out where he can charge. Bit of a challenge with an electric car that he has found out. But we're gonna drive the last bit, and we are running a little bit late, so we're gonna call the hotel and have them, you know, not stop serving dinner, so we can get some dinner together with some other participants as well. Final dash, and then we should get there, and we should see a lot more Jags. We made it here. We're just half an hour late to dinner, so that should be all right. Parked with 2 other XJSs here, and then we got a bunch of XKs, older stuff over there like E-types, XJs over here. We'll do a whole walk around possibly tomorrow. Got a bunch of activities then. lots of things planned here. We're going to be up here today, Thursday, and we're leaving Sunday morning. So lots of activities and various things that I'll document and show you guys. But we made it, and the XJC made it here. Not a single breakdown or anything besides the AC, but I disconnected the compressor this morning. Everything's just been running wonderfully. So we're gonna quickly grab some dinner, unpack everything, and I think that's gonna be it for today. Okay, it's the next day. It ended up being quite late after dinner and dark and started raining, but everything went really well. Looked over the cars a little bit. All have made it really well. Just gonna have to do a couple things to the XJC, which is just tighten a couple fan belts, which got a little loose. They stretch when they're new. But other than that, we have lots of cars here. The only breakdown was a friend of mine's. He was towing an XK120 here with his Toyota Land Cruiser, and that broke down. So, you know, these Japanese cars, you can't really trust them. So it broke down the side of the road. He unloaded the XK120 and drove that the last bit here. And now he's looking for a workshop to work on his Toyota. So I really hope he can find someone to fix it. It's a turbo diesel, which needs a new turbo apparently. So I feel really sorry for him. Otherwise, this will be it for this part of the video. I'm going to start with the day here. We'll continue filming. So the next episode will be just activities happening today. I'm on the board of the Swedish Jag Club, so we have some meetings and things. And then after that, just some fun activities here. Anyways, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with friends. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help out a lot. Until next time, I'm Adam. This was Living with a Classic. I'll see you soon.